In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create links to tabs in Power BI. If you want viewers to jump between report pages quickly, whether through a clean menu bar or a clear call to action button, you'll learn two simple, reliable ways to do it. Start by opening the Power BI desktop app on your computer and loading the report you want to enhance. With your report open, we'll begin with the method that's perfect for building a consistent navigation menu across your pages, the Page Navigator. Go to the Insert tab on the top ribbon, choose Buttons, then Navigator, and select Page Navigator. Power BI instantly drops a horizontal bar onto your canvas, populated with buttons for each page in your report, typically labeled page 1, page 2, and so on. This navigator is smart. Each button corresponds to an existing page and will take the user directly there when clicked. It's a fast way to create a professional menu without manual setup. To make your navigation consistent across the whole report, copy the navigator you just added using Ctrl+C, then visit each additional page and paste it with Ctrl+V. Power BI places the navigator in the exact same position on each page, giving your report a polished, app-like feel. Next, let's look at a method that's ideal for a single, focused action, like guiding viewers to a next step. This is the custom button approach. On the Insert tab, select Buttons and choose Blank, or pick an arrow shape if you prefer a directional cue. With the button selected, open the Format pane, turn on text and type a clear label such as Next so users understand what the button does at a glance. Still in the Format pane, find the action settings and toggle action to on. For type, choose Page Navigation. Then, under Destination, use the drop-down to select the exact report page you want this button to lead to. Once that's set, the button will navigate directly to that page whenever it's clicked in your report. That's all you need to create intuitive links to your report tabs. Use the Page Navigator for a full-width, consistent menu you can place on every page, and use custom buttons when you want to guide people to a specific page as a call to action. With these two methods, your Power BI reports become easier to explore and more engaging to use. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building smoother, more interactive navigation in your reports.